Hey, how are you? Hope all of you are well. It's your CPA Manish here today on Wednesday, the 3rd of May 2023. The reason for this video is because I just got a call from one of my clients asking me to explain to them how the deduction on the business use of vehicle, how the deduction on business use of the car works. And that is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so for the purpose of today's discussion, we are going to assume that this particular car that my client is planning to buy is going to be used 100% for the business, and that he has a second car that he uses for his personal purpose. So we will do that assumption when we do this discussion today. At the same time, we will also assume that this particular car is going to cost, say, $60,000. That's the value of the car. And based on that, how does the deductions work for the tax purposes? So first of all, when you get a $60,000 worth of a car for the business, you get to take a deduction which is called as a depreciation. So you get to write off depreciation deduction from your business as expense. You get to write off depreciation deduction against your business income. And even though the exact dollar amounts don't matter, let me give you an idea. The depreciation in the first year would be approximately around $20,000. In the second year, it would be around $16,000. In the third year, it would be around $12,000. And in the fourth and the fifth year, it would be $6,000 and $6,000. So when you total the depreciation over the period of 5 years, you get a $60,000 worth of depreciation, right? Now that $60,000 depreciation is an expense which you get to write off against your business income. But the question that my client had was that I do understand the depreciation deduction. My question is, because this is a business use of vehicle, whatever payments I make towards the loan, towards the vehicle's loan, shouldn't I be paying those installments from the business bank account? And my answer was yes. It's a business use of vehicle. It's a business vehicle. And whatever payments you make towards the loan for the vehicle, you have to make payment from the business bank account. So then the follow-up question was that if I make those payments from the business bank account, then in a way, don't I get to write off those payments also? Aren't those payments also pre-tax? Don't I get a deduction or a write-off for those payments because they are going out of the business bank account? And the answer to that question is no. You do not get to take the whole payment as a deduction. The way it works is, whatever monthly installments you pay, those installments have two portions. A portion of it goes towards the interest payment, and a portion of it goes towards the principal payment of the loan. So whatever you pay towards the interest portion, that you get to take as a business expense, that you get to take as a business deduction against your business income. But whatever is the portion of the payment that goes towards the principal, that payment you do not get to take as a deduction. So yes, all the payments will go from your business bank account, and out of that payment, whatever is the interest portion, you will get to take as a business deduction. But the principal portion, you will not be able to take as a business deduction. Okay, logically also, if you think about it, when you got the loan, you never report that loan as income. I received a loan, but you do not report that as income and pay tax on it. On the same note, the same loan, when you pay back the principal portion of that loan, you cannot take a deduction for that. So when you get the loan, it's not an income. When you pay the loan back, it's not a deduction for you. On the same note, if you think about it, it would have been good if I was able to take depreciation deduction of 60,000 on the car, and then I could take another $60,000 of deduction on the same car when I'm repaying back the loan. That would have been great. Like, I would be able to take deduction on depreciation on the value of the whole car, 60,000, and then when I pay back the loan, I get to take another $60,000 as deduction because I'm paying back the loan. No, that is not allowed. That would be kind of double dipping, right? So that is how this works. I hope this helps. It was a good question, and that's why I wanted to come to you and explain how it works. I hope this helps some of you guys also. If you have any follow-up questions, please feel free to get back to me and I'll try to answer those. Take care, and I'll see you soon.